as I concern with the DXTECH team, Mr. Wallet, Miss Demi, I am pleased to visit here. I have surprised to see the different qualities and the future benefits and the growth. I think that our business will be fruitful for both of our companies. Your satisfactions and your problem solving is much better, and we think that we can do business with you for the further business relationship in Saudi Arabia market. Mr. Sami was concerned about different problems he was suffering, but within just one meeting we have find many benefits from your side, and I think it will be helpful for us, and your company will train my team and it will increase my profitability and return on investment, and your promises under guarantee are ensured, and we are happy, and we are happy to meet and see your team, and way of your work is amazing and professional. I hope, I will be here in next year with my boss and my team as a big order, big buyer. We will be inshallah in next year if you support like you are doing here. Thank you so much.